Hello guys, welcome back once again. Now you know something? I have another good news for you. You see, I've been doing this web posting business over years now. I started somewhere gradually, and now in fact I have a lot of customers. Okay, I have two servers. And in fact, I don't want to sound like I'm trying to boast here. I don't want to blow my own trumpet. You know something? I'm going to guide you on how you can also start this business. This is the time you have to learn how to make money online. Okay. And I'm going to show you how you can make money online. I've already made a tutorial on how to get a cheap VPS. Okay. Go to my channel. That is youtube.com/axreditv, and there's a video about how to get a cheap. In fact, if you use my affiliate link, you won't pay more, but rather you even get 20% discount. Okay. In fact, it's the best so far. You won't get it anywhere. Let me show you the video. This is the video. Find your fast and affordable VPS in 2025. This is the video. Watch the video and you will get affordable VPS. In fact, I think the last time I checked, you pay just $115 for 1 year. $115. With that $115, you will get 4 CPU, 16 GB RAM, and 200 GB NVMe storage. You know something, with these resources, you can host about, let's say you can just add multiple accounts, about 60 or let's say 50 accounts. Okay. And with that, check the amount of money that you raise on that. Okay. So this is something that what are you waiting for? You have to start making money. You have to invest. Okay. You get any free things are not always the best, to be honest. With the AWS, you can play around. For instance, we are going to learn how to set up. It's good. You can just go along and learn how to do it on the free one. But if you want to really start the business, you need a paid one. Don't go with the free one. It won't help you. Now, let's get to it. So let's go to AWS in our last video. And also, when you watch the video, you'll be able to know how to get this account for free. All that you need is virtual card or credit card. Virtual card. Okay. That is, you can get MasterCard or Visa card. You need that in order to do this. Okay. If you don't have any of them, forget it. It won't work. But you can even use virtual card. Those in Ghana, if you want to know how to use virtual card, I think this bank, GT Bank. Yes, GT Bank. If you don't have an account with them, you can still get their virtual card for free. Yes. All that you need to do is, I think you need to, that is, they have a short code. Right now, you can just reach out to me or just leave comments below this video. If you're in Ghana and you need virtual card to do this, just leave comment here and I'll post the short code. All that you need to do, you need to have money in your mobile money. Then you have to just use a short code to create the virtual card. And you get all the details and you can use the virtual card to do it. Okay. Or you can just use your Visa or MasterCard. Okay. Straight away, they won't deduct any money from your account. In fact, the one that I used to create, this one, there was no money on that account. Okay. Yeah. Good. So if you watch this video, get a free VPS server without spending a dime, you'll be able to go through the process. Okay. And I will share the link below this video. Okay, yes. And including how to get affordable VPS. Okay, good. So let's go straight to, so over here, you only see EC2. Later, we'll talk about this EC2, but today we are going to talk about the Lightsay. You may not see the Lightsay here, but the search bar here, just enter Lightsay. And it will pop up like this. Then you click on that. Simple as that. Okay, just click on that. And we are going to use free 3-month trial. Okay. Yes. We can go with that is EC2, which we will not pay anything, but you have to make sure that you don't overuse it. If you overuse it, that is where they will deduct the money from your account. if that credit card that was used to create the account, you have money on it, then they will deduct the money from the account. Okay, yes, but this one we are going to use it for free for 3 months. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So stay here. Now keep on watching. Okay, so as you can see, we have to create instance. So we will go to create instance, and after that, let's go to operating system only. So we are going to select this operating system. Let's go to that is Hestia control panel. Hestia control panel, their official website. That's what we are going to install. With Hestia control panel, you can install it, integrate WHMCS billing system, okay, so that your customers can pay it and automatically it will provision their package for them. It will do everything for them. Okay, yes, it works. Hestia works on WHMCS, and I'm going to take you through how you can do that. Okay, so straight away, let's come here. Let's go to Hestia CP. Okay, let's go to the official website, and let's go to that is documentation first, and we are going to look at the resources that we need, and the minimum requirement 1 CPU, and or the recommended one is 4 CPU. Okay, and memory is 1 gigabyte, recommended is 4 gigabytes. So with 1 gigabyte you won't get spam. This antivirus, okay, this is antivirus that will protect your server. So you need at least 4 gigabytes, okay, that so that you get you have a full that is you get all the security features that you need. Okay, good. And the operating system, that's Ubuntu. Okay, the Ubuntu, I think, yeah, we can use 20 or 22 one. So you go with this 22. So let's come back here and we will select the Ubuntu 22.04 here. So I've selected that. It has been selected already. Don't go for this one, it will not work. So after that, you are done. Just go down here, and this one, the default one, is okay. You don't have to select this. This one is okay. And here they are saying we can go for $5 per month, and we can use it for 90 days. Okay, for free for 90 days. Or we can go with this one, $7, and we can use it for 90 days. So we are going to just play around for 90 days. And after that, if you feel like you want to pay, you can just go ahead. I have my own VPS, which I have cloud host on that, and I've been using it for production. But this one, I just want to show you how to go about it. Now let's come back here. So I think we need to go with this one, because with this, we will get 2 gigabyte RAM, 2 CPU, 60 gigabyte SSD storage, and 3 terabyte transfer. That's the bandwidth. Okay, so good. I think we'll go with that. And here we can just add any name. We can just make it a red eye. I just want to use my name, and that is all. We are not going to add any tag. And so let's go straight here, create instance. So all that we are doing is, you can use this AWS to create a lot of applications, but all that I do here is how to design website and web hosting. I only talk about website, web hosting, and mobile app. So I don't have any application that I can show you how you can use this to design. All that I can teach you right now is how to create your own or private web hosting server. Okay, good. As I said, you can start production. You can do it. You need to invest. Okay, gradually. I know you will get there. You see, in this life, let me refresh it. Okay. So far, so good. We are here. It is working. So this is what we are going to do. We will click here, or we can just click on that to open it. Now, we have our IP. This is our public IP. First, let's make it a static one. So to make it a static one, let's come to network and add a static IP. It's very important, because if you if you leave it like that, the IP can change anytime, and when it happens, your server will goes off. So when you make it static, it means that it will not change. Okay, your IP will not change. So this is now our IP. This is our IP. And after that, we need to connect this one to a domain, but I will not do it right now. I just want to be fast about it. So what I'm going to do here, straight away, we are going to install our application. So as the installation is ongoing, then we can decide to work on other things. Okay, so let's go straight here to Hestia official website, and we can go down. We will see this installation, but I don't want to go by this one. We have the custom one that we can just use. Okay, I think let me go through it. We will see it here. Okay, it says generate. Okay, so let's go with this one. So here you can now add your own installation options. Okay, so the port, we can decide their default port. Hestia default port is 8083. Okay, but I don't like using this port, so let's go with 2083. Okay, 2083 is okay. Then language, there's no need for you to, and we can add the host name. Okay, yes, you can add the host name. I'm going to check the domain that I'm going to use for this tutorial. So let's go to domains. Yes, I have a lot of domains here, so I'm going to select one. So I'll go with cloud host Ghana. Okay, so I have a domain here, cloudhostghana.xyz. This is the domain that I'm going to use for these tutorials. Okay, and I will create a subdomain, and the subdomain will be, let's say, panel. Okay, let me make it something like panel or dot then domain. Okay, so that is, let me make sure that there is no space. So it will be panel.cloudhostghana.xyz. That will be that's my subdomain. I'm here to create a subdomain, but I just want to put it here for now. So I can make it xpanel.cloudhost.xyz. That's the name of the panel. I want to add my own password. I don't want to add any random password. So I just want to add something simple. Okay, so let me see. Good, so let me add something simple. Okay, I can make it host at 25. Okay, so host at 25. Good, host at 25, that's my password. And multiple PHP, we want to get that. Okay, I think the rest is okay. And we can also add our email. I want to use CloudHost email account here. It's very important. And the rest is okay. We will force the file system. Let's use this one. And we will also force installation, which is very, very important. This one, I think we can decide to uncheck this one, because based on the resources that we are using, the system will struggle. So, but no problem. Let's maintain that. Okay. Yeah, let's maintain it, and we are done. And after that, all the details that we have added here has been added here, so we don't need to do anything. So straight away, let's come to our that is the AWS account here, and we are still here. So just click on connect using SSH. So click that, and we want to log into our SSH just to start the installation. Good. Okay, so first we have to make sure that everything is okay. So let's log in first. So we will do sudo su. Okay, that's, so let's bring that, and we have login. Okay, now yes, we are on the login page. Now we have to make sure that our the operating system is up to date, so we can just enter this app. Why I don't know why it's not working. Okay, app updates. Okay, just enter this one. I will leave it below the video. So app updates, and click enter, so it will run an update for you. Okay, now we can also continue from there. We can also run the update is done. We can also run upgrade. So upgrade, as I said, I will leave it below this video, and we are running upgrade, and you can see that. Do you want to continue? Yes or no? So let's go with yes. Okay, so upgrade is done. So okay, so it says we are running version 6 which is not expected. Okay. Okay. Okay, so let's click OK just to restart. So click on that, click here and enter, click enter. Okay, so let's see what to restart. Okay, the first one is okay. Click enter. And now we are done. Okay, so after that, just run reboot to reboot the server. Okay, good. I can then close it. Okay, so we have to wait for some seconds so that we can restart. Okay, good. Okay, so now let us continue. It's about 30 seconds now. Click that again. If for some reason it did not connect, then you have to restart, close it and restart again. So let's continue. Sudo su. Okay, so just enter sudo su. Okay, then you click enter. Okay, good. So we have to continue from here, and I will come here to copy our installation. This is the first one, so we will copy this one straight away. Then let me see. Good. I will come here and paste that. Right click and paste and click enter. Okay, so it's done. We have to continue with the next one. I'll copy that. Then I will come here again. Then right click and paste again and click enter. Now the installation is ongoing now. Okay, so this is what we are going to do. As we are waiting, there is some settings that we need to do. We have to work on the DNS. So let me click yes. Why? Okay, now we have to work on the DNS. It's very, very important because we have connected our domain. So as the installation is ongoing, we can work on the DNS. So come here, close that, come to that is AWS, and copy your IP from here. After that, go to the where you bought the domain. Okay, I have my domain at Namecheap. If you have it at CloudHost, you can still do that. Okay, or you can reach out to me and I'll help you with that. If your domain is being registered at CloudHost, I will do it myself for you. You don't have to worry. So you come here, you click on manage, and you go to advanced. Okay, good. So here, I think I have already added all these details. Let me delete them first, or I can select all. I can select all and click. Let's see if I can see delete here. Action, remove. So I'm deleting all. Good. We are now going to add a new record. So I will first select a record. I will add at, then paste the IP address. Then I will click on the pencil icon. I will select a records again, and this time I will enter. Okay, so let me check here. It's Cpanel. Okay, good. So which means that I will enter Cpanel here. Good. And I will enter the IP address. Okay, because our subdomain is Cpanel, so we have to do that. So I will enter Cpanel, the IP address. I will do that. I will save all of them once. After that, a records again. We have to add our name servers. Okay, we can just add ns1. Then we enter the IP address. Then we select another a record, ns2. Then we enter our IP address. Okay, now we have to add webmail, this one. Then we enter our IP address. Then we can also add a mail, mail. Then we enter our IP address. This time we are not going to use IP address. We need to copy the domain, this one. Then you select CNAME. Okay, CNAME. Then here is going to have www. Then you enter the domain name here. Okay, the domain name. Okay, yeah, your domain name. Good. Let me see. I think that's all that we need for now. Yes. Mail, webmail. Okay, that's so we are done, and we have created subdomain. We have already created ads, and after that, here you can click save all, and we are good to go. So right now we are going to add our we are going to create our name service. So select your IP address again. Let's go down here and let's search. I think I've already added name service. Let me delete them. Don't know, sometimes it may not work. So okay, good. After that, just come here, add new, select NS1, then you paste the IP. Done. Then you select another NS2 from NS1. The next one is supposed to be NS2. You paste the IP. You click done. For you to be sure that it has been saved, just come to search, and we will see the name server here. You see, it has been added to the domain, and this is the name server. Good, we need that. Now let me check where the installation, where we are now. The installation is ongoing. We are still not done. We need to go back to AWS. We have to open some ports, okay, or else our server will not work. So let's come back to network, and over here we can see that port 22 and 80 has been opened already. Okay, so we need to add the other port. So let's see, we can click add rule. We can just go through, let's see, we can add this one, the DNS. Okay, this one is good. DNS as TCP. So let's add that, and we are going to add another one. Okay, then let's click that again. We also add another DNS. Okay, DNS. We have added this already. So like DNS, that's UDP. This one you add that. Okay, that is for DNS. Okay, you need, it's very, very important. Okay, so I've added that. You see, we have the UDP and TCP. Okay, good. Let's continue. I'll click here. Then let's see. You can just select all TCP and all this, then you are done. But it's not good, because it will add all the port that you're not going to use, and that will make your server vulnerable. So don't do that. Okay, it will make the work easy, but don't do it. So let's select this and see 80. We already have that. HTTPS. Okay, we need to add that. Okay, and what else? And here the one thing is the email will not work, so I don't know. Let's add a custom one, and that is, we are going to add 2083. Do remember we have added that port to the installation. As I said, the default one, if you don't select this, you have to go by 8083. But once I've added this, we have to open the port here, which is very, very important. So I will select that, and let's see what else. You can just, domain is not working here. You can add 1010. This, that is 110. You can even add. We can also add. Let me click a custom one. Let me see if I can just select one from here. Let's see. Oh no, I don't want this. So let me go by the custom one, and we can enter. Okay. So we can also enter 995. Okay. And we can, let's check if the installation is done. It's still ongoing. So we can also add 993. Okay, so we are not going to add port 25 because some of these are not even important, because here is the case. Here is the case. Port 25 is blocked at AWS, and we are using the free one. If you're on paid one, you can request for remover, but here is the case. We are using the free one. So when you request for that, I've done it before and they did not open. They were saying all sorts of things. To cut everything short, they won't open it unless you're on the paid one. Okay, good. So I think these are the ports that we needed to open right now, and so far so good. We are done. Let's see if the installation is still ongoing. Then I need to pause the video and wait for it to finish. Then we'll proceed. Okay, so and the installation is done. It's successful. In fact, we have done well. You and I, we have done well. Okay, so right now they are saying we should press any key, so I will click here and press any key. Okay, you can click enter and it will disconnect. Don't worry, we are done with the installation. So this is what we are going to do. We are going to log in. Okay, this is what we are going to do. So we have already added our host name. We can straight away use the host name, or we can use the IP. Sometimes the host name may not work because maybe the propagation is not done or something of that sort. So if yours did not work, don't worry, I'm going to try mine first. So this is the host name we have created. Okay, right? If yours is different, don't worry, just copy that. Sorry, I don't need that anymore. So come here and paste the name. Then you bring column. Okay, then you add 2083. Good, 2083. Then you click enter. That's our port. Okay, let's see. Good, and the SS certificate is active. Okay, if yours is not working, let me show you how to go about it. Copy the IP, your static IP address. Let me open a new tab, paste it, bring the column again. Is it semicolon or column? Okay, you can just add 2083. Okay, good. Then you click enter. Though you will get SS certificate warning, you can still click proceed. Okay, and then you see you can also log in from here. But mine is working, so I don't want to use this with. So I will go straight. I will come here, and the username is admin. It's always admin. Okay. So the username is admin. Then you click next. Then you have to enter the password. What was my password? Host at 25, right? I think I have it here. Let me confirm it. The password, my password, yeah, host at 25. So I will just click login, and this is my dashboard. In fact, I will change my password because I know some people are ready. They want to hack me. Don't worry. I don't need this account. Okay, you know something? I'm done here. Okay. In our next video, I will walk you through step by step all the settings, what you need to do, how to add domain, all the settings. Then we will look at how to integrate your billing system. We will cover that in our next video.